You've got a great gym in your home and you've been using it to heat up leftovers. Today, we're going to do a great workout in our kitchen with what you already have. You want to pump some iron? You've got iron, cast iron, with enamel. Grab your weight and we're ready to squat. You can do something that looks more like a goblet squat, but just resting your hands in front of you. You can extend your arms out in front really far to help counterbalance as you sit back into a deeper squat. You can even reach overhead so your squat looks more like an Olympic squat. If you're tired of squats, we're gonna do some shoulder mobility, all right? If you bring your pan over to the side of your head, wrap it around, lift your elbows up, bring it around again, and finish to the front. You get a great little shoulder mobility drill that helps you move a little smoother, move a little bit better, and the weight helps pull you into a deeper stretch so that you can get a little bit more out of the movement. You also don't need a big pot. If you got a little tiny pot, that will get you started. Make sure to save a little bit of energy so you can safely put your cast iron away, because those things are expensive, and so are your toes. You can always add in a couple calf raises while you gotta handle some chores. And if these are not intense enough for you, you can start trying them on one leg. If you need to, put your hands down for a little bit of assistance and help you a little bit with your balance. When your calf raises are done, maybe we can try a little bit of incline push-up. Put your hands right in front of the sink where we were before. Scoot your legs back just a little bit and see if you can find a comfortable spot to do a couple of push-ups. All right. From here, you might also remember that your shoulders are a little bit uncomfortable from rounding, doing the dishes in the sink. You might want to stretch those out. Put your hands right back where they were. Scoot your legs back a little bit more. Fold at the hips and let gravity pull your chest down into the ground. Inhale. Exhale. Sink a little bit deeper into your stretch. Let's do another. Inhale. Exhale. Sink a little deeper into your stretch. That is great for your shoulders, great for your back, and hopefully you're feeling a little bit more relaxed. Now let's take it down low. We use this position to stretch out our shoulders. Let's use this position to stretch out our hamstrings. Once you've hung out here for a little bit, done a couple little pulses, a little bit of bouncing, let's undo some of the other effects of sitting. I want you to grab the counter one more time, bring one leg in front, come into a lunge, and start feeling a stretch right here in the front of your hip. Those will be tight when you sit a lot, and use your hand support to come on down a little bit deeper. Breathe, inhale. Exhale, sink a little bit deeper into your stretch. Switch to the other side. And maybe you have one side that's feeling a lot tighter than the other. Good thing you can address those now. Let's go. From here, instead of just a stretch, you can start turning them into exercises. If you don't need the support anymore, you can come on up and down and up and down, and those are a couple of quick leg exercises you can do right in front of your sink. If you'd like to see more ways to turn your home into your personal gym, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. You don't need the big weights for this either. You can just use a little tiny baby weight or a tiny baby pot for the same work. You've already got a fully functional gym in your home, and I can't look at the camera if you're all the way up there.